What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Damn, that really sounded like a fucking ESPN reporter or some shit. Hey, honestly, like, that was unintended. But right now, here's the plan. Let's see if I could. No, the camera's too short. Well, fuck me. Alright, let's see. That'll do. I'm going over to Smurf's place. I guess he's cleaning up or something. So I was like, yo, need help? I ain't really doing anything. And he was like, yeah, sure. And I was like, alright, cool. And so, a bond was made. Nah. And then there's meat. It's not really big or anything, I don't think. Oh, and another positive, I just got, what was it, my throttle body cable bracket and my vacuum block for my ITBs. So I'm gonna be selling this gun to Pro Series intake manifold. It's brand new, I never installed it. It's gonna be like 280 bucks. Like, I wanna sell it for. Brand new, they go for like 306 or some shit like that. So I pretty much paid you guys the shipping and gave you like a fucking 5% discount, some shit like that. But anyways, yeah, trying to sell that. And then, oh, I also, sad to say, I did install my coilovers and a couple other suspension components without showing you guys. I'm sorry, but I don't know what happened, and I'm sweating in here. Thing is super sick. Type R front end. He also has a Type R rear end. Got them bright seats. Boom. Thing is clean. She's looking clean for tonight's meet. Just waiting for a couple of our buddies to get here. I just met up with one of my boys. He's also a subscriber, so that's dope. If you're a subscriber and you're in San Diego, let me know. We can hang out and shit. We go to meets, you know, whatever. But let me see. Freaking, this battery's about to die, so I'm sorry if the rest of the video is kind of shitty, but I'm gonna be doing some POV style type things. And I got my GoPro in the car, so, you know, let's do that. I'm sorry, I fucking left my battery at home on the charger, so yeah, it's kind of shitty. But hopefully you guys get a better view with the POV styles, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. This fucking guy. Meet us where? Alright.
Starting route to 4701 Ruffin Road. Head east on Elk Home Boulevard, then turn left onto Texas Street. Turn left onto Texas Street.
What the fuck?
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left to merge onto I-805 North.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about Sound Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come pack with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun. That I changed straight from the dark shit. No tape when I'm playing. the start. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no fly. Fuck a whack brand, no top, no spot. Chase all day to the doors in the back. But my niggas fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga.
Right next to a parking spot.
Yeah, that's why, exactly. That's why I parked over here.
Talk to him before he took off. I got all my car, he's like, nah, I don't want to talk to him.
What, the Aston Martin?
Yeah.
Nobody's paying attention to this fucking Aston Martin, dude.
At all, and plus it's black.
Yeah, exactly. Doesn't even stand out or anything. I saw that dude on the freeway one day. That thing is super clean.
He's selling it.
Is he?
Yeah.
How much?
I think he wanted like 5 G's.
5 G's?
This car?
Bro, I'll go to the fucking bank tomorrow.
I wish I could slip it, I know him. Hey guys. Yeah, I don't know when they're gonna show up. I said there was stuff at 8:30.
Oh my god. Fucking ricer. Thanks, man.
Drinking all night, but we ain't dying. Party ain't new if they say so. No sleep till I see the pre-signs. Party going in with the pre-songs. That shit never lets me down. They go to work for somebody, we make it from acting now. We taking shots right now. Yeah, we taking shots right now. Send me in a word, minute, try to take my place.
At least give me a car length, bro. What do you think? Pretty quick for a Honda or what? don't care, bro.
No, I'm saying 60 kilometers is my 40.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Alright.
God damn. I just watched this bitch. Dig?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get off at the next bridge, alright?
Alright.
Alright, go.
That was shitty on my end. Are you doing the thing?
No, the roll.
Alright.
Okay, you want to do a dig?
Yeah, we'll do another dig in the front row.
Alright. Really gotta fucking get new gears. Alright, go.
Ready?
Yep. Well, just got home. It was a good night. Good way to end the night as well with the boys. And until next time, guys, I'll see y'all soon. Deuces. One love.